Neglecting routine maintenance of your Baghouse filtration systems can lead to unexpected breakdowns and significantly financial losses. So let's discuss how regular maintenance can help you avoid financial losses stemmed from unplanned downtime, increased energy consumption, frequent filter replacements, and potential regulatory fines. Unseen issues can quickly spiral out of control, affecting plant efficiency. A small leak today could mean a major shutdown tomorrow. By addressing problems early, you ensure smooth operations and avoid expensive surprises. At Menardi Filters, we have put together a maintenance schedule that helps you remember what needs to be done on a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annual basis. Start each day with visual and audible checks to catch early signs of trouble. Listen for unusual sounds and look for irregularities. These simple habits can prevent minor issues from becoming major headaches. Monitor pressure drop and gas flow rate to ensure consistent operation. Regular checks on cleaning cycles and discharge systems keep everything running smoothly. These daily habits are your first line of defense against costly repairs. On a weekly basis, we recommend spot checks on bag seating and integrity prevent leaks. Inspect fans, hoses, and clamps for wear and tear. On a monthly basis, you should verify bag tensioning and clear blockages in manometer lines. Quarterly, inspect filter bags and calibrate opacity monitors. Check gaskets and paint for signs of wear. Annually, replace high wear components in the cleaning system. These deep dives ensure long-term reliability to prevent unnecessary downtime for your manufacturing plant. Implementing a structured preventive maintenance schedule is crucial to help identify and address potential issues before they escalate. By adhering to a proactive maintenance program, manufacturing plants can ensure efficient baghouse operation, reduce unexpected downtime, and avoid unnecessary expenses. By following our maintenance schedule, you safeguard your investment and enhance performance. Contact Menardi Filters for expert support and tailored solutions. Together, let's keep your systems running at peak efficiency.